Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss something special about spoken English. Today I'm going to share my 20 years of experience with you. How to speak English. How to speak English. There are four pillars. First one is syllabus of spoken English. What is the exact syllabus of spoken English? First one, first one is need. If you need, you do. Second one, interest. Third, willingness, willpower. Fourth, proper guidance with sequence. Proper guidance with sequence. Number 5, age and duration, no limitation. For learning any language, to speak any language, there is no foundation of age, religious, or caste, or class. Language is language. That's it. I told about the syllabus. Now, if you're interested to learn, there are two ways. If you're interested to learn, there are two ways. First one is direct method. In direct method, there is no grammar required. Grammar की जरूरत नहीं है. Second, grammar translation method. Grammar translation method. In this method, basically people translate their own language to English. Suppose Hindi to English, Bengali to English, Tamil to English, or any language. Translation, grammar translation method. So most of the people adopt this process. If we adopt this process, that means grammar translation method, how much grammar you have to learn? What is the basic grammar that we must learn for spoken English? First one is article. First one is article, a and the. Their uses. Second, parts of speech. Second is the parts of speech. Because parts of speech, very basic thing about words. You know one thing, around the world, whole words belong to parts of speech, any group. Either noun, pronoun, verb, interjection, conjunction, any. Whole the words depend or belongs to parts of speech. So, when we learn words, we know the parts of speech definitely. Next, tense. Why tense? Because tense is the 70% uses in the language. What we do, either present or past or future. Our whole activities depend upon the three things: present, past or future. So we must learn the tense properly. Next, that is the modal verbs. Can, may, should, would, like these things. Modal verbs. These are also useful and helpful for spoken English. Next, active and passive voice. Active and passive voice, it's also important. And next and last, that is must concentrate in the pronunciation. Pronunciation, that means ucharan, how we pronounce the words. Any language, it's 100% mandatory. Because you pronounce different, the meaning will be different. Any word you pronounce is different, meaning will be different. So be sure and be care about the pronunciation, what you speak. Now, next step, that is self-activity, what you do. Self-activity means reading. Every day, just you read. Reading should be your habit. Reading should be your habit. You read stories, jokes, newspapers, magazines, course books, many more things. Reading every day, 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, whenever you get time, read every day. Next, writing. Write every day. Write every day. What you write? Your daily activities, your plans, your works, your credit debit walks, anything you write, but write in English. Next, listening. Listening, that means you listen. Maximum you listen, maximum you speak. So listen, what you listen? You listen to stories, songs, movies, dialogues, many things, news. So reading, writing, listening, and with these things, you must have one partner. Search a partner who talk with you, who cooperate you, and who think like you. So finally, I'd like to say to speak English is very important things, and it's easy if you do these things, you follow these things, you can speak English definitely. Thank you for watching. If you like, comment and share. Thank you.